Nisuwing ba sa Antangko Don Bosco Media Network ko ng Chaksoa, ang Alicia A. Sangma, nasimang na daling koburang ko para katinga, katabichungrang, Antangko kidnap Ka.A nito gapamande ko Rim.A. Mukroh A.Sel janggi galgaparang na Jinma Bichakanga, Mukroh sungo na Chief Minister, Argapan Minister rang rianga. Junguk pa koburang, is garil sa aja Niko kobur ko mansuwani gatade, Pagipa Niko Tangka dabi na Antangko kidnap Ka.A nito le sungsak police station no, Kese katanyo, jak tunggu pa sa katamandirang ko, dengtang piap rango ni ko police Rim.A. Riang pa November 3 tariko, Monday gemay nga ni kobor ko sungsa police station no, mansu chingaha, wanda kesal gapan no wa Monday ko kidnap Ka.A ni kobor ko, manani jaman DSP Shri Anthony CH Moment aro uni timbakan, sandiatan ni ko daknagata apa chingataha. Sandiatan yo North Garils uni ko, achik saksa aro gapan jat saksa kurum iwamang Musing sandiani ko dakon Antangko kidnap Ka.A in gapamande. Mungsung pa dos takapong nga ni masina matnaha jenya plak obos sanas kang uni ripingrang baksa gemuk kon tari samsoy Pagipa ko Tangka gongla kurbunga ko dabi nagata yan dakapa ungija kamko Ka.A chim ya monggo baro salbunga na am sandiani ko takani jaman mande sakni ko bolbuma song North Garo Hills district ko North Garo Hills district police rang ni dakchakan chi Rim.A matnaha Rim.A matnpa mandirang ara bolbuma song uni belsi sutpri ongapa te babel CH mara golpara Krishna police station ni odongapa Beldargat sunguni belsi kurukchet ongapa te Sibdul Ali aro mongsong dos takapa apsan sung Krishna yoni belsi kurukta ongapa te Azad Ali unga te Azad Ali ko Guwahati chini riba ko dutne thana orum suwaha aro jamanu ko sungsak police station na rambaha abachangi sandiatani ko dakani masina manani gita de keso gapenjak tonggapa sakpri daw khate donginga endake ingon dos tonggapa rang ni kosa ko getal take FIR ko sikataha aro wamang ni kosa ko niam ko pangchake kamko khangna gata sakatham kon daw sungsak police station no donenga neba khobor ko mansuwaha West Jandi Hills aja ni Mukroh songo A.Sel ongani ko jegalna area A.Sel onganyo siang gapa mandirang na dengtang mancha Jinma birim na gata butpar antamo Kasi Jantia Christian Leaders Forum KJCKF ni gata mombatirang ko suwe Jinma thongbi mongani ko atangaha ya Jinma thongbi mong ebi Rim.A ni ko Shillong sonjemani ususo tham auditorium mo ongatangaha area thongmanio Meghalaya adok ni Chief Minister Ka.A Sangma Deputy Chief Minister President Song Arts and Culture Minister Shanbor Shillai dengtang MLA rang MDC rang aro dengtang songni nokni dilgaparang babak khor ang tokaha West Jandi Hills aja ni Mukroh songo A.Sel ongani chi dukuk akeng gapa noktang rangko butpar sa Meghalaya adok ni Skotong Minister Ka.A Sangma grongi yaha aro un baksa adok ni Deputy Chief Minister President Song PHE Minister Renikton Lingdo Urban Affairs Minister Singaw Balang Dar aro Social Welfare Minister Kermen Shilaba tongpaha A.Sel onganyo siang pamandirang ni noktang rangko grongianyo Ka.A Sangma noktang giprak na gonglak pungan ni chek rangko ba utnang jolaha aro dukuk akeng gapa noktang rang na adok ni pal khalamani ko ba parakat jolaha resongon na rianganyo wasungni mandirang baksa agan grikengon Mukroh songni mandirang baksa pakramani ko mesuk na gata surkari program rangko aro manyani rangko dongtongat na Ka.A ane parakang jolaha Mukroh songon na rianganyo wa jingjing ateng gapa dolrang ko ba Grongjo laha aro A.Sel onganyo gaakapa mandirang na kaket bichal ko on nagata surkari kam khagen ene kurachakani ko nangaha Meghalaya surkari ni jakudianyo Assam surkari ba pakramani ko on painga ne thalatani ko ningon ya A.Sel onganyo jak tonggapa officer in charge aro forest official rang ko ba manchape plug officer rang ko suspend Ka.A aro West Karbi Anglong ni SP ko ba gapen biapo na transfer Ka.A ne sangma jingjing ateng gapa NGO rang na aganaha
I first of all would like to express our deepest condolences to all the families who have lost their dear ones. This is not just a loss for the families or this village, but it's a loss for the entire state. We are here to tell you that as a state we are grieving with you in this time of sorrow and this time of loss. We have come here today to of course meet the family members, but also to meet all of you. Because we know the people of this area have been suffering for a very, very long time. And knowing the suffering that the people have been having here, we know that the root cause of all this problem is the border dispute. And that is the reason why in the last year and a half, as a government, we've been working proactively to ensure that we are able to resolve this border issue. This government in the past has taken concrete steps. We didn't just promise. This in itself is showing you that we are committed to resolving this. And yes, this area is slightly more complicated, but our commitment is equally strong to resolve it. Let me assure you that.
Yan dal na kobrong a, ni suwing pa sa kanti kon metela.